Hello students, good morning. Students, we are going to take new topic transpose of a matrix. The matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns of a matrix is called transpose of the matrix. Rows change into columns, or you can say column change into rows. Transpose of a matrix A is denoted by A dash or it to the power T. A is a matrix, students, Aij m into n, then its transpose equals to Aji n into m. Number of rows of the matrix change into number of columns, and number of columns change into number of rows. For example, student, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Its order is 2 by 3. So its transpose equals to first row change into first column 1, 2, 3, and second row change into second column, student, 4, 5, 6. So now its order is 3 into 2. Okay, student. What are the properties of transpose of matrix? First property, for any matrix A, its double transpose equals to matrix itself. You can see, student, in above example it is A equals to A is a matrix and it is its transpose. Now let us find out again its transpose. A transpose of transpose. So it is A transpose, students. Then first row change into first column 1, 4. So it will become 1, 4. Second row change into second column 2, 5. Third row change into third column 3, 6. Okay. So now you can see, students, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and A double transpose equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A transpose equals to A. Okay, students. The second property, if there are two matrices A and B of same order, then A plus B whole transpose equals to A transpose plus B transpose, or A minus B whole transpose equals to A transpose minus B transpose. Let us take one example, student. A equals to a matrix of order 2 by 3, 1 minus 2, 3, 0, 4, 7. B is also a matrix of order 2 by 3, 0, 4, 2, 2 minus 2, 1. Now, student, let us add both of them. You can see both orders are same. So corresponding elements are added. 1 plus 0, 1. Okay, students. Minus 2 plus 4, 2, 3 to 5. You can say 2 and 5. 0 plus 2, 2. 4 plus minus 2, 2. 7, 1, 8. Then here 2, 2, 8. Now, let us find out its transpose. A plus B transpose. First row change into first column 1, 2, 5. Second row change into second column 2, 2, 8. So it is A plus B whole transpose. Now, students, first find out A transpose. First row change into first column and second row also change into second column. So A transpose is 1 minus 2, 3, 0, 4, 7. Similarly, student, B transpose. First row change into first column. Second row also change into second column. So 0, 4, 2, 2 minus 2, 1. Now add both of them, student. Its order is 3 by 2. Its order is also 3 by 2. So both are added. 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, minus 2 plus 4, 2, 4 minus 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 7, 1, 8. So it is A transpose plus B transpose. So student, you can see A plus B transpose and A transpose plus B transpose both are same. So we can say A plus B whole transpose equals to A transpose plus B transpose. Now similarly students, let's find out A minus B. A minus B, 1 minus 0, 1, minus 2 minus 4, minus 6, 3 minus 2, 1, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 4 minus 2 minus 2, 6, 7 minus 1, 6. So it is A minus B, A 1 minus 6, 1, minus 2, 6, 6. So now A minus B transpose students, first row change into first column, 1 minus 6, 1. Second row change into second column, minus 2, 6, 6. It is A minus B whole transpose. Now A transpose minus B transpose students. This is A transpose, B transpose. Let us subtract 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. 4 minus minus 2, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. 7 minus 1, 6. So now student, you can compare both of them. A minus B transpose and A transpose minus B transpose both are equal. So from equation 3 and 4 we can write what? A minus B whole transpose equals to A transpose minus B transpose. Now student, next property, if A is a matrix and K is a scalar means any constant value. Okay students, then if the matrix multiply by K first, then we have to find out its transpose. So its transpose is always equals to K into A transpose. Let us take one example. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and K equal to 2. So let us find out Ka first. So 2 multiply by each element of this matrix. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16 and 2 9 is 18. Now find out its transpose students, then row change into column. So Ka transpose equals to first row change into first column 2 4 6. Second row change into second column 10 8 10 12. Third row change into third column 14 16 18. Okay. Suppose this is question number 1. Now A transpose students is transpose. First row change into first column 1 2 3. Second row change into second column students 4 5 6. Third row 7 8 9 change into third column 7 8 9. Now multiply this A dash by 2. So when it is multiplied by 2, so it is now 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18. This is equation 2 students. This is 1. Compare both of them, you can see. Then Ka whole transpose equals to K into A transpose. Now next property student. If A and B are two matrices such that AB is defined, product of A and B is defined, then AB transpose equals to B transpose into A transpose. Remember student, AB transpose equals to B transpose into A transpose, not A transpose into B transpose. Okay. Let us take one example. A equals to minus 2 4 5. Its order is 3 into 1. B equals to 1 3 minus 6. Its order is 1 into 3. Let us multiply AB. First row multiply by first column, minus 2 1 minus 2. First row multiply by second column, minus 6. First row multiply by third column, 12. Second row multiply by first column, 4. second row multiply by second column 12, second row multiply by third column minus 24, third row multiply by first column 5, third row multiply by second column 15, third row multiply by third column minus 30. Now AB transpose equals to minus 2, 4, 5. Its transpose, students. Okay, first row change into first column, minus 2, minus 6, 12. Second row change into second column, 4, 12, minus 24. Third row change into third column, 5, 15, minus 30. Okay, students. Here I have represented transpose by a to the power t. Okay, students. Now B transpose, students. This is B. Its transpose. It is a row matrix. Now it will become column matrix, student. A equal to column matrix, student. So it will become row matrix. So B transpose into A transpose, we have to multiply first row, first column, student, minus 2. First row, second column, student. First row, third column. Second row, first column, minus 6. Second row, second column, 12. Second row, third column, 15. Third row, first column, 12. Third row, second column, minus 24. Third row, third column, minus 30. So it is B transpose into A transpose, and it is AB transpose, students. Compare both of them. Both are same. So we can write here AB whole transpose equals to B transpose into A transpose. So students, these are some properties of transpose. Okay then, have a nice day.